Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be the June Boxycharm unboxing, and yes, I've already opened it. I know it is inside, but I thought I would go ahead and share it with you guys. So let's get to it. So first thing in the box is the card. It comes in the little, I don't know what kind of format you would call it, but anyway, it has a picture of the YouTubers, I'm assuming, that kind of gave inspiration or made this box. I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's Caribbean Queen is the name of this box. And here is the list of the items that are going to be in here, along with prices and like the YouTuber or blogger's favorite. So let's get started. First thing in the box are these brushes from Luxie. And I like the packaging. It's nice, simple. Nothing too much, too bad. Let's go ahead and take these out. Ooh, they feel very nice. They feel nice. I like them, but we're going to test them out at some point in the future. By the way, I love the coloring of this. I love the brush that it's pink, and then it has like a little rose gold type of thing going on here. It definitely feels like a very expensive brush set, and it is $42, so it's a little up there in terms of price, but you get 3 brushes. You get the Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Powder, the 660 Precision Foundation, and then the Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighter. So, ooh, I've got a highlight one and I've got a foundation one. So I'm interested in trying those out. I'm going to put them, we're not going to put them back, we're just going to put them over here. And hope they don't fall. Alright, up next is these eyelashes from Battington Lashes. They are the Monroe Silk Lashes. This is what they look like. I won't take them out of the packaging. I'm not going to try and put them on because honestly I'm not a fake lashes type of person, but I do know that my friend Leanne LeCue likes these, so if you're watching this, Leanne LeCue, these are for you. I have already said it and it's going to be done. These retail for $28. So it's kind of I don't know what pricing would be expensive for fake eyelashes. Next up is from Jonteblu. It is their eyeliner pencil and charcoal. What it looks like. Oh, it's these kind of pencil. It's like an actual wooden pencil. I don't know how I feel about that because I remember getting one of these. Was it in a Boxycharm? I think it was in Boxycharm, and I was not a fan of it. It was a lip liner. I used it and I didn't really like it. It just felt like it smeared everywhere and it didn't really do what it was supposed to do. So I don't know about this eyeliner. Next up is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And this is what it looks like. Let me do it so that I don't do it wrong. I'm pretty sure I still ended up doing it wrong in terms of showing you guys. This retails for $21, and we're gonna go, actually, let's see how this liner is on the hand. Ooh, okay. This is what the eyeliner looks like. So it's not, why did I think it was black when it legit says charcoal? I don't know, but it's this kind of gray one. Let me quickly try and apply to my eye. Probably shouldn't do that though, because there's something else in here that's for the eyes, but we shall see. This is not working. I wanted it to be working. If you can hear that sound, that is my cat. That is Onyx. He's a meowing. So it definitely has the gray, and you can see it. But it's very light. I feel like you're gonna really need to do this a couple more times to get a dark charcoal. So this this has now become a no for me. And then next thing on the list, actually, before we get to that, let's go ahead and swatch this Ofra one on the hands. Let me use a disposable in case I don't like it, and that way when I give it to somebody, oh, it came out kind of clumpy. And this is what it looks like. Forgive that clumpiness, but this is what it looks like. We're about to, I don't understand why it has this clumpiness. You guys see that? You see that clumpiness? I don't get why. This is probably not one that I'm going to use. If I'm going to be honest, let me zoom you guys in without making this thing fall. First of all, I got to figure out which is the zoom button. Oh, there we go. And that's what it looks like. So it doesn't look too bad, but it's also not my favorite color. I don't know. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to try it on a couple more times and then see how I really feel about this one. So there we go. Next on this box is the Sol de oh, pretty, it's literally Sol de Janeiro. It is their Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and if I remember, infused with all-powerful guarana. Okay, I don't know how to say that word. But I got a sample once, and if I remember correctly, it was shimmery, and I didn't like that it was shimmery. This is what it looks like. This, let's see how many ounces, if it tells me ounces. 0.84 fluid ounces, and this retails for $10. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Oh, maybe I was wrong about the shimmer. Apply. Apply. Ooh, it feels nice. And it smells nice. It smells good. I stand corrected. I don't know why I thought it had shimmer. I mean, is it me? You can see that, right? There's no shimmer. Right? No shimmer. Oh no, my battery is going low again. I didn't want that to happen. Alright, so we're going to quickly wrap this up. And then the last thing in the box is the Alamar Cosmetics palette. This is what it looks like. Oh, it fell. This is the inside, not the inside. Anyways, I already have this palette. It's a good palette. The last time I used it though, it kind of didn't work, but I think that was the primer that I had for it that I used. I bought one, like a NYX one, and it didn't work out, which we'll talk about that later. But it's a nice palette. My only thing is, I'm kind of a little bummed that this came out in the Boxycharm because I bought it literally at release and then 2 days later found out that it was going to be in the Boxycharm, and I kind of feel like that was a little shady, a little messed up. I don't want to cause anything major, but I mean, I kind of feel like a little warning to those of us that are subscribed to Boxycharm, like, hey, you know, you might want to wait off or something like that, because we did, like, those of us to put money into it to help with this brand, to give it, you know, to buy something for a Latin brand that's starting up, that's launching up, and then to hear that it was going to be in a Boxycharm, it's kind of like, oh, so I spent, but you're going to give it to me anyway. I don't know, that's my personal opinion. But Hema, if you're watching this, I did say that if this rumor was true, that it was going to be for you, and it is for you. This one, all for you. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.